Hey guys, my name is Sarang Krish and today in this video I am going to show you how to make Asus Maxbox. Then before we get started, if you haven't done already, click the red subscribe button for more videos and also press the bell icon to get notified for all of future videos. After you've done that, let's get started. You need a cardboard piece, scissors, pencil, eraser, glue gun, template. I will leave a link in the description box below where you can just download it. Cutter, cut out the template after you printed out it. After you cut out the template, copy it to the cardboard. After you copy it to the cardboard, cut it out.
It's okay, cause I'll be here.
Take cutter and scale and take that piece and place the scale over that line. Using the cutter, slightly draw on it. And bend it up. And take the side piece and place over that piece and take the measurement. And by using the cutter, draw upon that slightly and bend it up. Use glue gun to paste all the piece. You can also use white glue.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah. No, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow through the sun rays, and on we'll go.
It's okay.
Then that's all for this video guys. Click the red subscribe button for more videos. Like and share this video and I will see you in the next one.